a golden fountain, a grand, spacious corridor, a high ceiling painted like that of Michelangelo's work at the Chapel of Sistine, a beautiful indoor square, a magnificent facade with a nice view of a river, and an equally beautiful tower, a replica of the Venetian Grand Canal. Adventurers, welcome to the Venetian Macau. The Venetian Macau is yet another luxury hotel, casino, and mall rolled into one. It is situated within the Cotai Strip. It is right across the Londoner and next to the Parisian. The mall houses 330 stores, featuring world-renowned brands and upscale boutiques. There's a gondola that's passing through the canals and under the bridges. This happens to be the queue or the long line for the boat or gondola ride. But I don't want to try that ride because I have tried it with my family back home in the Philippines, as we have a Venetian Grand Canal too there. The only difference with our version of the Venetian is that the canals are on the outdoor area, unlike here where the roof becomes the artificial sky. Also, our Venetian back home does not have a hotel and a casino attached to it, as it is just a plain mall. The Venetian Mall here in Macau is a lot more bigger that you could easily burn some calories walking from one end to another. I asked for a map just so I would not get lost in trying to figure out where their toilets are. Considering how big and wide the floor area of this mall is, I was not the only one who got so worked out in trying to solve this intricate labyrinth. Getting from one point to another is like solving a maze. And when I finally got into their toilet, I was so impressed with how clean, fragrant, and luxurious it is. And the classical music playing in the background is an additional treat. And when I got tired and hungry from walking around this huge mall, I looked for a place to eat. Luckily, they have this Venetian food court. There are actually numerous international cuisines to choose from, but I opted to try some Portuguese dishes. Okay, now I'm going to try the Portuguese chicken set. I didn't know that it is this big a portion. I mean, this portion is big, and then there are side dishes. Yeah, and then there's rice, soup, and then Coca-Cola. Okay, so I will start to dig in. I will start to devour this, and I didn't know this is too big of a portion, but I will try to consume this. This is the creamy corn soup. Yummy. Fish. It's fish. It's fish cake, fried fish cake. That is. That is where I ordered it from. I have basically walked around this mall for hours, and I have reached this gate where there is a public transportation terminal. This place have more people walking around as compared to what I saw at the Londoner, but it is in a very organized chaos manner. So guys, this episode ends here, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you love contents like this, please let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe too. This has been Jane of Adventurer. Thank you all for watching.